Have you ever felt invisible? Even when you're surrounded by people who love you? Like there's a part of you, too deep, too complicated, that no one can really see? If you're an INFJ, INTJ, INFP, or INTP, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. But why? Why do we carry this invisible world inside, so carefully hidden from everyone else? Let me take you into that secret world. Picture 4 people sitting quietly in the same room. A silent visionary. A logical thinker. A sensitive dreamer. A calm, relentless planner. They don't say much. They watch, they listen. And inside, there's an entire universe unfolding. Ideas, visions, values, questions, swirling beneath the surface. But here's the thing. They don't let you in. Not fully, not easily. Not because they don't want to, but because they don't know how. Or maybe because they've learned that most people won't understand. You see, for each of them, this secret world takes a different shape, a different texture, a different kind of depth. For the INFJ, it's a world of hidden patterns, of meanings that lie beneath the surface. They see connections no one else notices, visions of what's coming long before it arrives. But they keep it quiet. They're afraid of being misunderstood, of being dismissed as too abstract, too strange. So they carry these visions alone, locked deep inside. And yet, there's another layer. A deep longing to reach others, a quiet hope that their insights could help, could heal, could inspire. Their FE, their emotional attunement, makes them sensitive to the needs and feelings around them. But sharing their inner world risks disrupting the harmony they care so much about. So they wait. Until the moment feels safe enough to let someone in. For the INTJ, it's a world of silent strategies. Plans, designs, pathways stretching far into the future. They protect these visions fiercely, because speaking them out loud too soon might weaken them. Might invite interference, might expose a plan still under construction. They'd rather wait until the vision is ready to be unveiled. But beneath that calculated patience, there's an engine driving them forward, a relentless push to turn vision into reality. Their TE, their drive for efficiency and execution, fuels their desire to build systems, structures, results. They don't just dream, they want their vision to work. But until they're sure it holds up, they won't risk showing it. For the INFP, the secret world is woven from values. From ideals, hopes, emotions too pure, too sacred to risk exposing. Inside, they hold a quiet fire, a landscape of meaning only they can truly navigate. They don't hide it out of shame, they hide it to protect it. Because letting the wrong person in means risking betrayal of something deeply personal. Their FI, their inner compass of values, draws them inward, constantly asking, "Is this true to me?" It's not about external validation, but about protecting the integrity of what feels right, deep inside. And yet, there's a quiet hope that maybe someday, someone will understand. Someone who won't try to change them, but simply accept the beauty they carry inside. And for the INTP, Their secret world is a laboratory, a place where ideas collide, theories form, logic twists, and untwists itself in endless experiments. They keep their thoughts close, not because they're afraid, but because their ideas are still evolving, still fragile, still incomplete. Their TI, their inner analyzer, pushes them to dissect every idea, every assumption, questioning everything until the pieces finally fit. It's not about proving themselves right, but about finding what actually holds true. Sharing them too soon would feel premature. They want to refine them first, to test them against every possible flaw, to make sure they hold up before letting the world in. And even then, they may wonder if anyone will follow their thought process all the way to the end. 4 different inner worlds, but they all share something. A gate, a wall, a barrier between what's inside and what others can see. Not because they don't want to connect, but because that world isn't for just anyone. And sometimes, they wonder if anyone will ever truly see it. Maybe you felt that too, that secret space inside you that you've never fully shared. So I want to ask you, what part of yourself have you never shown anyone? Tell me in the comments. Because maybe, just maybe, sharing it here is the first step to being truly seen. And if this spoke to you, hit like, subscribe. We've only just begun exploring the secret world of INFJs, INTJs, INFPs, and INTPs. There's so much more to discover. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.